Hello everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of desktop on the application of threads. We click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above we will search about threads and we click. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again. If it's not working with you, then you will go to Play Store and you will update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.